Cooking the perfect turkey. Recipe variations and techniques.
In this video, we'll discuss various recipe variations and techniques to help you cook the perfect turkey, ensuring it is neither overcooked nor undercooked. We'll explore preparation methods, cooking techniques, and the use of a meat thermometer.
How do I prepare my turkey for cooking?
Brining. A popular method to ensure your turkey is moist and flavorful is to brine it before cooking. Brining involves soaking the turkey in a solution of water, salt, and other seasonings for several hours or overnight. This process helps the meat retain moisture during cooking. Dry rub. Another option for flavorful turkey is to use a dry rub. Combine your favorite herbs and spices, then rub them all over the turkey's skin and inside the cavity. This will infuse the meat with flavor and help create a delicious, crispy skin.
What cooking techniques can I use for a perfect turkey?
Roasting. The most traditional method of cooking a turkey is roasting it in the oven. Place the turkey on a roasting rack inside a roasting pan, and cook at a low temperature, 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 165 degrees Celsius, for even cooking. Baste the turkey with its own juices or melted butter every 30 minutes to keep it moist. Spatchcocking. This method involves removing the turkey's backbone and flattening it out. Spatchcocking allows for quicker and more even cooking, reducing the risk of undercooked or overcooked meat. Braising. For a moist and tender turkey, consider braising. This involves cooking the turkey in a covered pot with a small amount of liquid, such as broth, wine, or water, at a low temperature. The liquid helps to keep the meat moist while it slowly cooks to perfection.
How can I tell if my turkey is cooked to perfection?
Meat thermometer. The most accurate way to determine if your turkey is cooked is by using a meat thermometer. Insert it into the thickest part of the thigh, avoiding the bone. The internal temperature should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, for a perfectly cooked turkey. Visual and tactile cues. While a meat thermometer is the most reliable method, you can also look for visual and tactile cues. The turkey's juices should run clear when pierced with a fork, and the legs should move easily when wiggled. By employing a combination of proper preparation, cooking techniques, and checking for doneness with a meat thermometer, you can ensure your turkey is cooked to perfection. Remember to allow your turkey to rest for 20 to 30 minutes before carving to redistribute the juices and ensure a moist, tender result. Enjoy your perfectly cooked turkey.